We all have within us this incredible ability to manifest and attract anything we desire into our lives. It's official. Innovative research from Columbia University has now identified a 7-second brainwave that billionaires use to attract money instead of pursuing it, and it's available to you. So if you've been struggling to get ahead, always overwhelmed by bills or debts, maybe it's not your fault. Cutting-edge neuroscience now believes that getting rich isn't about working hard at 2 jobs or getting lucky at a casino. The secret lies in the 7-second brainwave that attracts money. This is being studied at Harvard and Yale campuses. So when wealth experts tell you you don't work hard enough or you need to try harder, neuroscience itself says they're deceiving you. According to neuroscientists from New York City, the new discovery reveals that it's almost impossible to attract the house, the car, the luck, the love you desire no matter how hard you work, until this billionaire 7-second brainwave is listened to by you. They say reciting this brainwave is simple and quick, and if it's not recited, money worries will increase. You might be short of money, neck deep in debt, with unpaid bills or suffocating debts, unable to provide what your family desires the most, but it gets worse if it's not activated. Hundreds of MRI scans show that this wealth curse is passed down to our children, financially cursing them for life. Think about your parents. Do you think it's possible this has been passed down to you? I know it might sound dramatic, but my job is to tell people the simple truth. Based on 3 decades of intensive research, this isn't a doomsday prediction. It's just a small glitch in the brain that needs to be resolved. So when you look at really rich people, it's not because they are much smarter than you or worked much harder than you. They activated something that was dormant. The trick is a 7-second brainwave created by discovered neuroscientists. Have you ever wondered why some people are blessed with money? Why things always work out for them? I can promise you it's not because they are toiling away tirelessly for 12 hours a day, as you've been told. And it's also not because they've plunged into debt to get a master's degree and climb a rung on the corporate ladder. So what's the solution? Neuroscientists with decades of experience whose work has been published in the most prestigious journals for everyone to see were the first scientists to investigate the connection between the 7-second brainwave and money. They are some of the few scientists specializing in manifesting wealth and abundance. Now you're going to discover the 7-second brainwave, which anyone can do at home to start seeing more money appearing in their life, starting from today. So if you're finding it impossible to progress or feel like the financial game is rigged against you, go ahead. Discover the 7-second brainwave. While it's still available online, while others struggle financially, completely unaware of the solution that's right in front of their eyes, you can finally relax and start letting the money in with a single 7-second brainwave. Discover the 7-second brainwave,